Ready to turn your kitchen dreams into reality? Join us as we unveil 5 game-changing ideas to transform your space into the luxurious haven you've always wanted. Stay tuned! Welcome to our guide on creating the ultimate luxury kitchen design. In today's video, we're diving into 5 key ideas that will transform your kitchen into a haven of sophistication and functionality. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply love to entertain, these ideas will inspire you to elevate your kitchen to new heights of luxury. A luxurious kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that reflects your style and enhances your daily life. From customizing the design to incorporating high-end appliances and natural elements, each idea plays a crucial role in crafting a kitchen that is both beautiful and practical. Join us as we explore the world of luxury kitchen design and discover how you can bring these ideas to life in your own home. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to upgrade your existing kitchen, there's something here for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey together as we unlock the secrets to creating the kitchen of your dreams. Let's dive in. Your kitchen should be a reflection of your unique tastes and lifestyle. That's why our first idea for creating a luxury kitchen is all about customization. Imagine a kitchen that's tailored specifically to your needs, with every detail carefully curated to suit your preferences. From the layout and cabinetry to the choice of materials and finishes, customization allows you to create a truly one-of-a-kind kitchen. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern design or a more traditional aesthetic, the possibilities are endless when it comes to customizing your kitchen. Incorporating personalized touches like built-in storage solutions, specialized workspaces, and unique lighting fixtures can take your kitchen design to the next level. By working with a skilled designer or architect, you can bring your vision to life and create a kitchen that is as functional as it is beautiful. So don't be afraid to think outside the box and get creative with your kitchen design. After all, it's the heart of the home, and it should reflect your personality and style. Customization is key to creating a luxury kitchen that you'll love for years to come. Now, let's talk about elevating your kitchen with high-end appliances. Think of your kitchen as a stage for culinary masterpieces. The appliances you choose play a starring role. Investing in top-tier appliances like custom ranges, oven hoods, and refrigerators not only adds a touch of sophistication but also enhances your cooking experience. Picture yourself effortlessly preparing meals with precision and ease, thanks to the latest technology and innovative features. High-end appliances not only look impressive but also offer superior performance and durability, making them a worthwhile investment for any luxury kitchen. Whether you're a passionate home chef or simply enjoy the finer things in life, high-end appliances bring a sense of luxury and refinement to your kitchen. So, why settle for anything less when you can have the best? Now, let's open the doors to the concept of open-plan super rooms in luxury kitchen design. Gone are the days of kitchens being isolated spaces tucked away from the rest of the home. Instead, imagine a seamlessly integrated living space where cooking, dining, and entertaining come together in perfect harmony. Open-plan super rooms blur the lines between kitchen and living areas, creating a spacious and sociable environment that's perfect for modern living. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, an open-plan layout allows for effortless flow and connectivity between spaces. Picture yourself cooking up a storm in the kitchen while still being able to interact with guests in the adjoining living room. With an open-plan super room, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's bring the beauty of the outdoors inside by incorporating natural elements into your luxury kitchen design. Imagine the warmth of natural wood, the elegance of marble countertops, or the rugged beauty of stone flooring. These elements not only add visual interest but also create a sense of harmony and connection with the surrounding environment. Natural materials bring a timeless and organic quality to your kitchen, elevating its aesthetic appeal and creating a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you opt for sleek granite countertops or rustic reclaimed wood cabinets, incorporating natural elements adds depth and character to your space. Imagine cooking a delicious meal surrounded by the soothing textures and earthy tones of natural materials. With their durability and versatility, natural elements are not only beautiful but also practical, making them the perfect choice for a luxury kitchen that's as functional as it is stylish. Now, let's add a touch of glamour to your luxury kitchen with the use of metallic accents. Imagine sleek brass or gold fixtures sparkling against a backdrop of rich wood or pristine marble. These glamorous touches not only catch the eye but also add an air of sophistication and opulence to your kitchen design. From faucets and cabinet hardware to lighting fixtures and appliances, there are endless opportunities to incorporate metallic accents into your kitchen. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of shimmer or a bold statement piece, metallics allow you to customize your kitchen to suit your personal style. Picture yourself entertaining guests in a kitchen adorned with glamorous metallic accents, the soft glow of gold or brass lending an air of elegance to the space. With their timeless appeal and luxurious feel, metallics are the perfect finishing touch for a truly spectacular luxury kitchen. Designing the ultimate luxury kitchen is an exciting journey that allows you to transform a functional space into a haven of style, sophistication, and functionality. Throughout this guide, we've explored 7 key ideas that are essential for creating a kitchen that truly reflects your individual taste and lifestyle. From customization and high-end appliances to open-plan super rooms and incorporating natural elements, each idea plays a crucial role in crafting a kitchen that's both beautiful and practical. Adding glamorous metallic accents and a functional island further elevate the design, making your kitchen a true focal point of your home. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to upgrade your existing kitchen, these ideas provide inspiration and guidance for creating a luxury kitchen that's tailored to your needs and preferences. So, embrace your creativity, trust your instincts, and let your imagination soar as you embark on the journey of designing your dream kitchen. With the right planning and attention to detail, you can create a space that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. Share this video with friends and family who are also looking to elevate their kitchen spaces. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found the tips and ideas helpful. If you have any questions or would like further guidance on designing your luxury kitchen, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback and engagement are invaluable to us. Remember, creating a luxury kitchen is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So, subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content and stay tuned for future videos on home design and renovation. Thank you for joining us, and here's to transforming your kitchen into a truly extraordinary space. Happy designing!